Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, the given triangle has two angles, 23 degree and 48 degree. What type of triangle is this? We have given angles of triangle are 23 degree and 48 degree. To find the type of triangle, let us find the third angle. Let the measure of third angle be x degree. As we know that sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So sum of 23 degree plus 48 degree plus x degree is 180 degree. So x degree will be 180 degree minus 71 degree. So it is 109 degree. Now here we can observe two angles are 23 degree and 48 degree, and one angle is 109 degree and it is greater than 90 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. As we know that if one angle of the triangle is greater than 90 degree, then this is an obtuse triangle. So given triangle is obtuse triangle. That is, our correct option is option C.